Alright guys, we're gonna have the face-off of the two best recip saws. The Dewalt 60 volt flex volt brushless reciprocating saw versus the Milwaukee Fuel M18 fuel sawzall. We're gonna be using two brand new blades from m18 Pro, and yeah, hope to see this good challenge. For the Dewalt, we're going to be using their brand new flex volt. It's a 6 amp and 20 volt, and it's 2 amps and 60 volt. For the fuel sawzall, we're going to be using their high demand 9.0 amp hour battery, fully charged. I don't know if you can see. Fully charged. Alright, we're going to be using a m18 Pro brand new blade. See if you can see right there. And we're going to be cutting into 4x4 pressure treated wood. My partner here is going to keep time and see how it goes. Five seconds. It took exactly 5 seconds, 6.63. All right, now we're gonna start with the Dewalt with the brand new blade, same exact blade, and same material, 4x4, pressure treated, and my partner's gonna keep track of time. Well, looks like the Dewalt beat the M18 Fuel by a couple seconds. Well, not even a second. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. What the fuck? What was that?
The battery came off.
How did that come off? I don't know. See, that thing has balls. And it has balls.
Ready? Another test. Fucking battery came off. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, bro. I feel the webbles inside of it.
Yeah, I told you, man. I don't get stuck.
It's stuck.
Now put a nail on.
Yeah. Pause it. We'll look at the nail.
Alright guys, now we're going to run a test. We're going to put three nails inside of the 4x4. See which one can cut them both faster. Up first, we're going to try the Milwaukee M18. Up first, the Milwaukee M18. And my partner's going to keep track of the time. 1, 2, 3. Well, it looks like we had a bog down of the Milwaukee M18. Seconds. The M18 stalled, unfortunately. Up next, we're going to try the Dewalt. Alright guys, we're going to be running the same test for the Dewalt. We're going to be putting in 3 nails. Same exact test as the Milwaukee did. See which one cuts it faster. Alright guys, now here comes the Dewalt. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow, that was pretty fast. 4 seconds. Shh. Wow. With nails. So the Dewalt won that one. Unfortunately, the M18 Milwaukee bogged down and stalled. Couldn't cut through all of them. Doesn't matter if we talk. We'll put our voices. Go up a little. There you go. One, 2, 3. Show it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.